Good morning. All right, it's Monday morning. Yay, hooray. So here's my list today. Let's see if I can do this without shaking. I'm shaky today again. I need to eat breakfast. So I've got on my list here behind me, SUU prep. I have a couple meetings this morning and some things to do there at the university. And then Addie and Bella, today is their first day of homeschool. It starts, so I'm going to get them set up before I leave here shortly. Basically today, since it's the first day, they're just doing their like assessment tests, their first of the year, placement tests, things like that. And then I still have peaches to do. I've got to do something with those today because they're starting to get soft. And I definitely don't want them to get spoiled or anything. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do with the peaches. The freeze dryer, the batch I put in on Saturday, was it? Yeah, Saturday when I made all of that delicious made it from scratch spaghetti sauce. Oh, so good. That's in the freeze dryer right now with some squash and zucchini. So that, it's looking like that'll be done today in the next couple of hours. And so I'll package that up and get the next batch ready to go in. And then I've got some videos that I need to edit. So that's my day, kind of running all over the place again today. Marshall doesn't have work for 3 days. Yay! No more taxiing him to and from work. School starts for the big boys, for Marshall and Brady. That starts tomorrow. So yeah, today's kind of the last day of summer for them. And get my day going. Woo, woo. Yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock, so I'm doing good. I'm right on time, on schedule. All right, I just got back to the house. My meetings are done. Addie and Bella did their placement tests, so that's good. I'm gonna go log on. Say hi. I'm gonna go log on and see how they did. I added one more thing, my Thrive Life Order freeze-dried foods. I love Thrive. I'm a consultant for them. And because I mean, we have our own freeze dryer, but their quality of fruits and vegetables is just better than what I can get unless you happen to get fresh picked or something like these peaches I got. So, anyhow, please stop. Okay.
I'm not trying to get in the video.
Okay. You are trying.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm just trying to tell you something.
Okay. Give me a second. Kids. Anyhow, Thrive Life, I need to do an order. They're doing a huge sale this month until the end of August. It's like 30% off. And actually, some of the sale items are even more than that. So I'm going to go on and place my order. I've been meaning to do for a couple weeks now. So I'm going to take care of that as well. And edit videos and go check the freeze dryer. Actually, come with me. Let's go check the freeze dryer and see. Oh, sorry, Bubba. Okay, so it's got a little bit more time. Looks like, oh yeah, it probably won't be done until this afternoon. So see the percent complete, that's, it'll do that. It'll go through the end, the bar at the end, and then it'll count down 2 hours. So it probably won't be done, maybe not even until this evening. So the freeze dryer's got plenty of time. Alrighty, but it's almost lunchtime. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today. I'm ready for a good lunch. I think we'll make French bread pizza because I have some garlic bread that we need to use.
Could Jeffrey play?
Yes, he can play. You know what? Sometimes our house is the popular house for kids to play at. It has pros and cons. Oh, I've gotten a lot done on the computer. So I've been working on one of my clients' logo designs. And do you want to see what I designed today? Let me show you. Oh, I have to flip it around. Ta-da! So these are 5 different designs to kind of just see what my client likes, what logo. That's for what logo she wants, and we'll see. She may want something totally different, and she may want to change fonts or colors or layouts or something, but this is just a starting point. So I like doing this stuff. It's fun. So now, while I wait for her response, I'm going to get started on some basics of her website. So fun. This is the life of a graphic designer. Oh, on my list, I placed my Thrive orders. Woo, woo. I ordered, what did I get? Sausage crumbles. Those are the best. Love sausage crumbles. And some chopped onions. Coconut bites, because those are delicioso. What else did I order? I don't remember. Anyhow, I ordered stuffs. It's good. It'll be nice when I get my rolling shelf unit. Then it'll be really nice because I can have things organized in my office. So that's done. Oh, editing videos. Okay, so stupid. Can I just say how frustrated it is my pet peeve when things don't do what they're supposed to do. For some reason, I got my new iPhone 11 like, I don't know, 5 months ago. Normally, I plug my phone into my computer and obviously I take lots of pictures and lots of videos. I would just plug it in, my pop-up would come up on my computer. Do you want to download your recent? And I do. Since the last time I uploaded, fine, easy, bada boom, bada bing, and it was done. Sometimes it'd take it a few minutes if there was a lot of videos or something. Ever since I got this new iPhone 11, it won't do it. Oh, it's so aggravating. It's like the phone times out or something, and it'll like start to upload, or it might upload a couple, but then it's like, oh, the device is unavailable, or oh, the device is disconnected. I didn't touch anything. Like, it is so stupid. And I have looked at there's a lot of people having the same issue. I'm surprised Apple and Microsoft have not figured it out. I don't know whose fault it is, but I sure wish it would get resolved soon because this is a pain in the patootie. It should not take me like an hour and a half just to get stuff to upload to my computer. It's such a waste of time, and that's my biggest pet peeve, is wasting time. Wasting time. And then it would be things not working the way they're supposed to. Doing what they're supposed to. Ugh. Anyhow, so I was kind of trying to do that. And I got frustrated and irritated, so I moved on to a new project because I'm sick of the finickiness of the phone and the computer not wanting to talk to each other. So ridiculous. So, and I've uninstalled and reinstalled. I've done apps. I've rebooted phones. I've rebooted laptops. I've done updates. I've done everything. And this is so annoying. Anyhow, so the video. Oh, now the freeze dryer. Oh, crap. I was supposed to do stuff on the peaches today. Okay, maybe I will get this website to a stopping point, and then I'm going to go out and work on peaches because I do need to get those done before they go bad. All right, freeze dryer's done. Nice and dry. Look at that. These are like chips. I already broke this one. Look at that. This is the zucchini. Watch. It's like a chip. I love it. Those are going to be awesome. And we got some spaghetti sauce. It's all dry. So now I got to go package all this up and then put the next batch in while I work on some peaches. Okay, I'm ready for the day to be done. It's 5:55. The barbecue, so I put in barbecue drumsticks in the oven. Oh, this smells so good. Here, let me show you. Oh, just kidding. You can't see there's tinfoil on there. Psych. But take my word for it. The house smells amazing, like barbecue. And I'm trying to figure out what side dishes to do with it. No, I still didn't get to the peaches. I think I decided tomorrow. Tomorrow's the peach day. Sometimes this happens. Yeah. So I think I'm going to slice up some zucchini and squash and make as a side dish with the barbecue drumsticks. Maybe. Yeah, I think they're going to come over a little bit later. And that's it. So let's see how dinner goes.